Hey, are you interested in the renovations on your home to get you the most return for the money you spend? Well, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Mike Skay, and this is Philly Area Living. If you're new to this channel and you like learning about all the things that make the Philly region a great place to live, then do me a favor, click that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time a new video is released. All right, let's get started, and let's talk about the 8 projects you can do that get the most bang for your buck. At number 8 is a roof replacement at 61.3% average return on your investment. Now, typically, these numbers that I'm going to share with you, these percentages, are usually higher, but over the last couple years, material costs have gone through the roof, so these numbers are a little lower now. So it's 61.3% return on your investment. $6 for every $10 you spend on that roof is what you're going to get back on average. This is a project that makes a huge impact because it's one of the first things people notice when they step out of that car and look at your home. So if you're having a buyer come by and they're looking, now that front door is going to pop, the landscaping, they're going to notice that. But the first big project they're eyeing up is that roof to see what kind of shape this house is going to be and what type of costs are going to be involved in the near future for maintenance. Next up at number 7 is fiber cement siding. Now this is a product that's become more and more popular over the years in this area, especially with the stucco issues that have been happening with homes, with moisture getting behind that stucco and rotting out the wood behind it. Fiber cement siding is super durable. It lasts a long time. It can be done in different styles. People really love it. It looks really great on a home. At number 6 is composite decking. Now, putting a deck on a home has become a staple across many price points. So you don't want to be that house that was built 10, 15 years ago that still has the wood slats covering up the sliding door there so that you don't step out and fall off the back of your house. If you don't have the deck yet, you got to get the deck before you go and sell the house. You're just walking away from money and value, and you're probably going to take a little more time to sell your house because people are going to be picking that house that already has some of these projects done. At 63.9%, the composite decking is a good investment. Now, you're going to get a little more return on your investment by going with wood, which we'll talk about later, but that composite decking just has a great look to the home, and the reason it's a little lower is simply because of the material cost. At number 5 is vinyl siding. Now, this ranks above the fiber cement siding simply because it's getting 64% back on that investment, not because it's the preference of buyers in the area. The preference is for that fiber cement siding, but because the material cost on vinyl siding is a lot lower, you're going to get a little more return on your investment. At number 4 at 66% is a wood deck. Now, we talked about the difference in material costs here, and that's why this wood deck ranks higher than the composite material, but it's a great way to get some value on your home, to take care of that last project you might need to take care of, or if that old deck is starting to rot and fall off, getting it replaced might make sense here. At number 3 is garage door replacement. At 70% return on your investment, this is a great way to add some pop and curb appeal to your home. And it's also a way to finally move on from that builder grade door that's been sitting on your house since it was built. At number 2, we're finally going to go inside the house. At 73.2% return on your investment, we're going into the kitchen for a mid-level kitchen refurb. Now, at 73.2%, this is a great way to make an impact on your home. This is going to be one of the first places people go inside your home to look to see for the condition of the house. This is the main room people are trying to buy right now, this and that master bath. Finally, at number 1 and at 94.1% and leaps and bounds above any of the returns on any of the other projects mentioned here is a manufactured stone veneer for the outside of the house. The manufactured stone veneer is a great way to change the entire look of your home. And it's going to be important that you're picking the right style that isn't going to be dated in a couple years, that's holding up now, but also is going to hold up over time. And that's going to be the same for all of your projects. I get a lot of calls from people who are looking for advice on how to buy or sell a home in the Philadelphia region. And if you're one of those people and you're looking for some trusted advice, my contact information is in the description. Feel free to call me, email me, or text me. I'd be happy to help. And again, if you're interested in the neighborhoods, the homes, the people, and the businesses in the Philadelphia region and some insights like I shared today, make sure you hit subscribe, tap that notification button, and you'll get a notice every time I release a new video. Until next time, thank you.